Assalamu alaikum. My name is Lara Bashraf. I am currently a student of MSc Honor Animal Nutrition, College of Agriculture, University of Sargodha. Today I will talk about mycotoxins that affect the poultry growth in different ways. First of all, what is mycotoxin? Toxins that produced by fungus are mycotoxin. These are toxic secondary metabolites produced by fungi, disease-causing agents, and over 400 species identified. A number of different types are recognized. Aflatoxins that are produced by Aspergillus flavus. T2 fuseriotoxins produced by Fusarium species. Ochratoxins by Aspergillus ochraceus. Rubrotoxin by Penicillium rubrum. Other mycotoxins certainly occur. Other mycotoxins that affect the poultry are cyclopyrazonic acid, osporine, citrinine, ergot alkaloids, fusarochromanone, fusaric acid, moniliformine, zearalenone. Mycotoxicosis. Mycotoxicosis refers to all of those diseases caused by the effects of toxins produced by molds. Disease is often subclinical and may be difficult to diagnose. Problems occur worldwide, but especially climates with high temperature and humidity, cool, wet growing season, where grain is harvested with high water content. Symptoms of toxicity. Typical target organs include liver, kidneys, preventriculus, gizzard, immune system that varies from species to species. Cyclopyrazonic acid. Chemically, cyclopyrazonic acid is an indole tetramic acid. This mycotoxin was first isolated from a culture of Penicillium cyclopium vestiline. CPA has been reported in meats, cereal grain, paste, mixed feeds and nuts. The first report on the natural occurrence of CPA was made in 1978 in samples of A. flavus, contaminated corn that also contained aflatoxin. Fungi of the Aspergillus genus are also capable of producing CPA, including the aflatoxigenic fungus A. flavis as well as A. temeri and A. versicolor. Toxicological studies in several animal species have shown that the major target organs of CPA are the liver, kidney, and gastrointestinal tract with liver involvement. Due to the effect on the central nervous system observed in these experimental animals exposed to CPA, this mycotoxin has been classified as a neurotoxin. Experimentally, high dietary level of CPA between 50 to 100 ppm can cause mucosal epithelial inflammation, necrosis of the crop, preventriculus and gizzard, preventricular mucosal hyperplasia, multifocal necrosis of the liver, spleen and myocardium of broilers. Osporine. Osporine is a red crystalline dibenzoquinone was first isolated from the mycelium of Ospora chlorens, hence the name osporine. The first study on the toxic effects of osporine in animals and plants was reported in 1974 by Cole and its co-workers. They purified the toxin from culture broth of a strain of Chaetomium trilateral isolated from the moldy peanuts and investigated the lethal effects of the toxin on day-old chicks. Laboratory studies conducted to investigate the effect of purified dietary osporine in broiler chicks have shown that the toxin causes a primary renal tubular lesion that results in visceral gout. Dietary level less than 100 ppm osporine had no detrimental effect on broiler performance. However, levels when exceed or equal to 200 ppm caused a dose-related increase in mortality with decreased feed consumption and body weight gain. Increased water consumption was observed at level of 400 and 600 ppm. Plasma concentration of uric acid was significantly higher in chicks receiving 400 ppm osporine. Microscopically, the most severe effect of osporine occur in the epithelium of the proximal tubules of the nephron. Citrinine. Citrinine, a yellow crystalline bicyclic phenol derivative, was first isolated in the 1930s from Penicillium citrinum. Further studies revealed that citrinine was also produced by other species of Penicillium and by species of Aspergillus. Initially, citrinine attracted much attention due to its antibacterial activity. However, toxicity studies in animals showed that the compound was too toxic for use as an antibiotic. Citrinine often coexists in cereals along with ochratoxin A. Its occurrence has been reported in cereal grains such as corn, wheat, barley, oats, rye, rice, and the levels of the contamination range from 0.001 to 80 ppm. The major toxic effects are increased water consumption and urine excretion, resulting in watery diarrhea with a minimum dietary toxic level of approximately 130 ppm. Gross lesions observed in chicks receiving 130 or 260 ppm dietary citrinine included hemorrhagic jejunum, mottled livers, and enlarged kidneys. Ergot alkaloid. Ergotism is the disease caused by the ingestion of alkaloids contained in the Sclerotia of Claviceps species. The word ergot derived from the French and means roasted spore. Ergots are formed when an ascospore of the fungus Claviceps species infect the open inflorescence of gramineous plants such as rye, wheat, oats, sorghum, corn, rice, and several grass species. Grain samples containing 0.1 to 0.33% ergot are graded ergoti. The amount of ergot in feeds is usually expressed as the percentage of ergot Sclerotia by weight present in a given grain. Safe dietary levels of ergot for broiler appears to range between 0.3 and 0.8% by the weight. Two forms of ergotism have been described in mammals. A gangrenous form with necrosis, sloughing of the extremities, and a convulsive form. Both gangrenous-like lesions and nervous signs have been reported in chicks exposed to dietary ergot alkaloids. Ergotism was characterized by an initial depression in growth, poor feathering, nervousness, loss of coordination, finally inability to stand. Fusarocremanon. Fusarocremanon is a Fusarium mycoides produced mycotoxin that has been shown to increase the incidence of diachondroplasia in broilers. The minimum dietary level causing increased incidence of diachondroplasia in growing broilers has been shown to be 20 ppm. Fusaric acid. Fusaric acid, that also called 5-butyl pyridine 2-carboxylic acid, is a phytotoxin with weak antibacterial activity produced mainly by F-monily form. Fusaric acid inhibits dopamine B-hydroxylase, one of the enzymes involved in the biosynthesis of norepinephrine. Broiler chicks fed on diets containing graded level of fusaric acid between 0, 35, 75 and 150 ppm for 3 weeks. Fusaric acid did not increase the incidence of diachondroplasia, leg-shaped deformities or rickets, and no effect on body weight gain or feed intake was observed. However, fusaric acid decreases cell-mediated immune response to phytohemagglutinin P. Moniliformin. Moniliformin is a plant growth regulator and phytotoxin produced mainly by strains of Fusarium moniliform. In terms of lethality, moniliformin is highly toxic for chicks. However, the mechanism of action for this lethality is unknown. The minimum dietary level of moniliformin causing mortality in growing broilers appear to be in the range of 16 to 27 ppm. Zearalenone. Zearalenone is a phenolic acid with estrogenic properties produced primarily by Fusarium roseum. Although the concentration of zearalenone normally found in contaminated feeds and feedstuff represent a potential risk for swine, they appear to have no effect on poultry health and performance. Hypertrophy of the oviduct at extremely high dietary level at 800 ppm is observed when zearalenone is used at 800 ppm level. Zearalenone appears to be non-toxic for poultry species. The detection of this mycotoxin in poultry feed has been suggested to be used as a biomarker. Thanks for watching.